In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Creative Cloud. Whether you're looking to switch to your native language or just exploring a new one, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and straightforward. To start things off, you'll need to visit adobe.com. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Enter your credentials in the sign-in area, and if you've got two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your phone handy for that verification step. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're using the correct account if you have more than one. Next, after you've logged in, you'll want to locate your profile. Typically, you'll find this at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This menu holds various account options that you might find helpful in managing your Adobe products and preferences. From the drop-down menu, look for the Preferences option and click on it. This section is where you'll manage a lot of your settings, including which language you want to use within Adobe Creative Cloud. It might take a moment for these settings to load, depending on your network speed. Now that you're in the Preferences section, focus on finding the language settings. Under the heading Language, there will be a drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal the list of available languages you can choose from. Adobe Creative Cloud supports a broad range of languages, catering to users all over the world. Scroll through the list until you find the language you want. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct variant of the language, as some languages have multiple regional variations. For instance, if you're selecting Spanish, you might see options for Spain, Mexico, and other regions. Once you've selected your desired language, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking the Done button. This confirms your selection and saves your preferences. The process might prompt a restart of the application for the changes to take effect fully, so be prepared to close and reopen any Adobe applications you have running. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language setting in Adobe Creative Cloud. You should see the language reflected next time you open any supported applications. If you encounter any issues, revisit the steps to ensure everything was set correctly, or reach out to Adobe support for further assistance. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more Adobe tips and tricks.